Hi Stellars! Welcome back to Daratala PH. So today magkakaroon po tayo ng channeled messages. It's been a while no since the last time I uploaded an reading for this channel. So namiss ko talaga to. So sa mga sumabaybay sa akin for the last 4 years, pabalik na ulit ako sa Daratala PH. So abangan niyo po yung mga channeled messages ko. Alright, so we'll be channeling your energies using these decks. So let me put this aside. Alright, so sa mga bago sa aking channel, welcome sa inyong lahat. I hope that you subscribe and like this video if this resonates with you. And if you need a personal reading, you can check out my Etsy shop or you can email me. Pwede rin naman sa Facebook. So, all the links on my social media account is on the description box. So, tingnan niyo po. Wow, you have passion, insane chemistry, like each other equally, having fun. Grabe naman. Sobrang saya pala ng love life niyong lahat, ano? Very passionate and tingin ko sobrang pula. Ano yung mapula, Miss Joyce? Mapula ang pag-ibig niyo. Pulang-pula, guys. Okay, so you have mirror. Mirroring each other, self-image, relationship reflect our wounds, introspection. So, I think kung sino man yung person na kinikita nyo today or if you are dating right now, definitely you are mirroring each other. Meaning to say, you reflect one another. Parang you're mimicking each other, parang ganon. Parehas kayo ng gusto, parehas kayo ng ayaw, parehas din kayo ng siguro paboritong pagkain, paboritong artista, paboritong kanta, paboritong pet, alam mo yon yung paboritong luto, paboritong occasion, yung mga ganong bagay. So, you have a lot in common. Okay, kung sino man to. But I'm hearing na you have full passion and you just recently started seeing this person. Parang medyo bago pa lang to, no? Na bumukadkad. Bumukadkad. Okay, so let's take some tea leaves. Okay, so siguro kuha lang tayo dito ng dalawa. Okay. Two. Okay. So first we have Peacock, beware of great pride. And we have Grasshopper, situations in the balance that require careful handling. Okay, so I'm not so sure kung bakit may pride dito. Siguro dahil itong person na kinikita nyo is someone na lagi kayong dinidisplay, no? Siguro in the social media dahil bago pa lang kayo, very passionate yung dating stage nyo. I do believe na parang nagkakaroon ng pride yung isa sa inyo, no? It could be you or your person na medyo showy sa relationship. Parang ganon. Okay, ayusin ko lang yung table ko, no? Ayan. So, I do have a feeling na dahil nga siguro gwapo or maganda yung jowa nyo ngayon. Kaya yung pride is right there. Parang nagiging showy kayo. I got this person and parang pinapakita nyo sa mundo na ang saya nyong dalawa. Parang ganon. So, situations in the balance that require careful handling. You really have to be careful. For some reason, the universe is giving you this sign and signal na you have to be careful with your words and how you take pride of getting or being in the relationship with this person. Parang ganon. Parang siguro ano to, trophy girlfriend or boyfriend yung nakuha niyong jowa. Parang ganon. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Yung ganong eksena, no? So let's get two tea leaves. Okay. Alright. So, do we have here? Lobster. Paborito ko tong pagkain, guys. Financial pinch. Kumukurot ang inyong kaperahan, guys. Okay? So, I think may kurot dito na nangyayari sa pera nyo. Siguro, parang in a subtle way na yung isa sa inyo is ginagastusan yung person na to. No? Yes, kasi pag kumukurot yung lobster, masakit. So, every time na nanghihingi or this person is asking some money from you guys, parang may kirot. Parang dumudugo yung wallet nyo, yung bulsa nyo. Parang ganon. Okay, we have here unicorn. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. So guys, eto na, binibigyan na nga kayo ng sign ni universe na mag-isip-isip kayo. Kahit masarap tong taong to, kahit masarap siya guys, mag-isip-isip kayo kung medyo pineperahan na kayo ng tao na to na akala mo one time or twice lang hihingi ng pera or manghihiram ng pera, tapos sasabihin sa'yo, babayaran ko naman yan, parang ganun. Napapansin mo by scheduling, may schedule yung pangungutang, yung panghihiram. O pwede bang manghiram ng in the 20th day of the month? Yung pala pang bayad niya sa credit card. Oh my goodness, guys. But alam mo yun, Joyce? Ma'am Joyce, bakit alam mo yun? Naranasan ko na yan, guys. Nako. Pero yon, chinuchu ko din yon kahit masarap yon. Charot! Okay, guys. Naging seryoso na tayo sa reading na to. Kasi kayo itong reading nyo Hindi na pala ako nakapag-live. Abangan nyo na lang yung live ko, guys, no? Sa mga followers ko na gusto mag-reading live. We have Queen of Mirrors, The Bitch. Ito na nga, guys. Nagkaroon na ng The Bitch. Sabi ko ayan guys, napapalaan nyo talaga yan no? Nagkaroon kayo ng The Bitch. So, masasabi ko kasi yung Queen of Mirrors, it's a Queen of Swords. Okay, so, I have a feeling na magastos nga tong person na to. The gender does not matter here. So, hindi tayo gender bias. Kahit nakakita kayo yung sapatos ng babae dito, hindi. So, it could be the man in the situation is the one who's asking some parang permission to loan. Permission to pwede bang manghiram? Yun, yung nanghingi pa ng permission sa'yo. Kasi nga naman, di ba, baka magalit ka pag nangutang sila or nanghiram ng pera. Okay, so let's see. What else do we have? Here we have quality times. Okay. I can't see the number, but it says 6 of rings. Kita nyo ba? 6 of rings. Kasi medyo gold gilding. So, I'm not so sure kung nakikita nyo 6 of rings, but 6 of rings. Okay, so, this is 6 of pentacles. Guys, kung may 6 of pentacles ka, definitely masyado kang giver dito sa tao na to, no? You're giving this person too much of your attention, too much of, pera. Yun, yung affection and everything. No? You're too sweet to this person. Parang nai-spoil mo tong tao na to. Sabi nga naman ni Universe. Okay. We have here Queen of Rings. Meron ka na namang Queen of Pentacles, a single mom. So, parang I have a feeling na parang sobrang mahal mo tong tao na to. But at the same time, parang nagiging abusive to in a way. Although, the love that you have for this person could be very, very genuine. Yung walang pag-aalinlangan, walang doubt, dahil siguro, for most of you, no, giver talaga kayo. You may be a breadwinner in the family. You may be the one who's having, maingay ng aso ko, greater income. Or sa family members nyo, ikaw yung laging kumikita ng malaki. At ikaw din yung nagbibigay sa family mo. So may mga tendency kayo, pag nagmahal talaga kayo guys, sobrang binibigay nyo lahat. As in lahat. So guys, ito lang. I have to say na you really have to balance the relationship that you have, no? Hindi lang yung dahil porket may pera ka, may pambigay ka, is ilalaan mo na doon para doon. You really have to be wise. Because the Queen of Pentacles is also wise. Although she is a single mom, sabi dito, again, the gender is not particularly for women, no? For single mom, single dad, hindi naman necessarily gano'n, no? Single mom, single dad. The card is saying naman, single mom kasi very loving, very caring kasi pag single mom, 'di ba? Bigay lahat kasi nga walang partner yung single mom or single parent, no? Parang gano'n. Ganun yung ibig sabihin nito. So, I think guys, you have to think this through kung ano man yung uh, bumubukadkad na passion dito. Hindi ko alam kung ginagawa kayong papasang or mamasang nitong person na to, pero mag-ingat-ingat na rin kayo, okay? At mag-isip-isip ng malalim-lalim, guys. Ano? Wag lang yung tuwing kabilugan ng buwan at doon kayo nag-iisip. Anyway, abangan nyo guys yung live reading ko kasi na-miss ko talaga mag-live reading. Kaya announce ko na lang yan sa community natin. And mag-chat po kayo doon sa live reading ko ng mga questions nyo, and then I will answer it with one card. And I will channel the energy according to your question. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Love and light. Namaste.